Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video we're going to show you a simple trick how you can filter your files by file type in your Google Drive account really quickly. For example, to organize your files and folders better and for a better overview. So let us get started. Head over to your Google Drive account and let's say, for example, I would like to organize my Drive section here on the left hand side. You may apply this also for any folders listed below. So let me go with the My Drive overview. So what you want to do, guys, is either use these filters here. For example, you may click on that arrow down icon next to type, and after that simply filter out files by the given file type, like presentations or photos and images, PDFs, videos, audio, and so on and so forth. Or if you'd like to go a bit more in depth and combine various or several filters, you may do that by accessing the advanced search feature here at the top next to the search bar. So click on it, and here you may apply several filters like the type, the aforementioned type filter by clicking on that arrow down icon here and select, for example, files that are stored in PDF file format, or for example apply a second and even a third filter like the ownership or files with a specific name or file name, username, item name, location, and so on and so forth, modification date. And once that's done, simply confirm by clicking on search here to filter out files that apply to the selected filters here. And that's how you filter by file type, guys, on Google Drive. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.